Diane Howard.
And I'm Elizabeth Conable, and we're with Lantern Home Group at Keller Williams Avenues Realty.
And this week we're bringing you part 2, as promised, of tips and tricks, things you can do at home while in quarantine, and to get a top dollar for your house when you sell.
Absolutely. So the first item that we're going to talk about is curb appeal. It's essential. And so part of that, we're talking specifically like cleaning up the hedges if you have hedges, landscape work, just making sure that your house is just appealing to a buyer when they actually pull up to the property. Fun things to do in addition to that is maybe even consider getting a new welcome mat, and then just freshening up the house numbers too.
Yep. You want them to find you.
Right.
Yeah, and so something that a lot of people don't know, this is tip number 2, is carbon monoxide detectors by law have to be installed in the house before you sell. So you'll want them in there before the inspection. Actually, you'll probably want them in there before you actually go on the market.
Yeah.
And the rule of thumb is a carbon monoxide detector should be installed within 15 feet of every sleeping area. So if you have 3 bedrooms off the end of a hallway, you can just hardwire one carbon monoxide smoke detector combo, and that will cover all 3 bedrooms. So do yourself a favor, just go ahead and do that now.
Absolutely, you'll thank yourself for sure.
You will.
The third thing that we want to talk about is neutralizing paint. And so although you might have hand-picked paint colors in your house, the biggest thing is that those communicate your personality specifically. What we want to do is we want to maximize the buyer interest, and so that's part of the depersonalization of the property, is just paint that neutral color throughout the house.
Yep, and if you need help picking colors, let us know. We're happy to do so.
Absolutely.
And then tip number 4 is one that no one likes to talk about, but we're going to, and that's household odors, right? They're common. There are pets, our lovable furry scurries, and they sometimes stink. And our fridge, sometimes things die back there. So you'll want to definitely mitigate those odors beforehand. And if you smoke, there are companies that can mitigate that as well.
Absolutely. And then the last item that we want to talk about is what's called putting together a due diligence binder, and that's going to include receipts from projects that you've had done, maybe warranty paperwork, maybe other paperwork that you have from appliances manuals. That's right. Any utility paperwork, things like that. And it's a great reference point for you as a homeowner, but then it's also a good thing to actually give to the new buyer when they purchase your home.
Yeah. Absolutely. So we hope you liked this. Give us a like and subscribe.
Absolutely. And if you are interested in getting a full complete list and then some, be sure to check that out on our website.
LanternHomeGroup.com.
That's right.
Stay safe out there.
Tuning in.